Alright guys, thanks for stopping by. So we are making lemon curd today. This is not difficult to do and something you should definitely have in your repertoire. So let's start by cracking some eggs. So lemon curd can be whole eggs or it can be egg yolks, depending on what type of texture you want. So I'm going to do a mix of both in this recipe. Now let's get some lemon zest together and we're going to juice the lemons as well. The zest will give some nice aromatic qualities. You could use a juicer. I'm just going to squeeze them by hand, whatever's best for you. Cool, we want about 1 cup of lemon juice for this recipe. Now we can basically just combine everything in the bowl. So add your eggs, your sugar, and some salt, and the vanilla. Now add your reserved lemon juice and give it a good stir. Once it's well combined, we're going to take it to a double boiler or a bain-marie, as they say in French, and we're going to cook it while whisking constantly with the steam. The double boiler will allow you to cook the eggs gently, kind of prevent you from scrambling it. So just, check your water every now and then, make sure it's not boiling too aggressively, and you're just gonna stir, stir, and stir again. It will start to look like a sabayon. Once it's looking like a sabayon or kind of beginning to look custardy like that, you're like 75% of the way there. So just keep whisking, making sure you are getting the sides. Shut off your heat if need be. You can check how thick it is with a spoon like that. So once your custard is looking pretty thick, like coat in the back of the spoon, it's almost done. We're going to take it off of the heat. So off of the heat, we are going to keep whisking because it's still cooking and we don't want it to get curdled. And then we're going to start adding our butter, chilled butter. This is really going to round it out, thicken it up nicely, and give it a smoother texture. So add all your cold butter in pieces. Once it's in there, then pass it through a fine strainer just to guarantee you don't have any lumps or curdled eggs. Now before you cool it down or throw it in the fridge, make sure you cover it in plastic and push down onto the custard so you don't get a skin forming on it. You do the same thing for pastry cream as well. So throw it in the fridge and give it a few hours. Several hours later and your lemon curd is ready. Should be nice and thick like so. And you could use it for many applications. A trifle, eat it as is, or put it maybe in a tart like I'm gonna do. So there you go. I hope you learned something in this short video on lemon curd. And until next time, keep on cooking and thanks for watching.